Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a new thing in my videos. So this is my first video of embroidery and I'm taking today a mirror embroidery. You can see the beauty of this embroidery and it looks very beautiful. So we are starting from today the embroidery videos. I will also upload the continuous crochet and knitting videos also with the embroidery, and I'm adding the new concept of videos, that is embroidery. So let's start our word video. I will post this video in Hindi also. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, I'm taking this cotton fabric. You can take any fabric where you want to do embroidery on it. I'm just placing this frame. This is the one part and then this is the second part. Okay, this is the back side of this frame and this is the upper side of this frame. We need to tie this cloth, that's why we are placing this frame. You can tie it like this. Okay, now it's enough tight. After that you can tie it from here also. Okay, I have this mirror. I'm using this mirror for this embroidery and I'm using this anchor thread. This is very common. Okay, this is very easily available in market. So this is 6 layers of thread, but we will use only 4 layers for this embroidery. But we want this thickness of the embroidery. Okay, so I'm just taking 4 layers of this thread like this. Okay, we put this thread in the needle and I'm making tie a knot in the end of the thread. Now first of all, we need a circle of the mirror size. So I'm making a circle like this with the help of this pencil. Okay, now we are starting our embroidery from the back side like this. We are starting to make chain stitch like this with the small stitches. Like this. Like this. Small stitches of chain stitch. Don't let this fabric loose. Just keep fabric very tight. And make this chain stitch with the normal hand. Chain should not be very loose and very tight. You can make this embroidery on the sweaters also with the wool. This will look very beautiful in the sweaters also. Now it's time to place our mirror in the middle of this chain circle, and now make square or triangle on the mirror like this. One, two, and three like this. Okay. Now again make chain stitch. One, take this one and this thread also in the one stitch like this. Again you just keep this thread on this needle like this. We are repeating a one stitch on this mirror. Like this. Just moving your frame slowly and make the chain stitch in every chain stitch with this triangle thread. See, and in the back side tie knots, one or two. One is enough. If you want to make another one, then you can. I'm also making a two threads and cut with scissors. And now you can see the mirror. This is very easy and looks very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.